My sugar beauties, today we'll be doing a prom makeup look and a wig installation. What you just saw was what I gifted my client, and this is my setup. And here are going to be the cutest kittens you ever seen, and if you know this song. Girl, you know what you saw, and I saw that too. That's Fetty Wap over there. I don't care. But yeah, it's just a little inside joke. But anyways, yes, so we're going to be working on this table. And yeah, do you guys remember what we're here for? Yes, we're here for prom makeup and a wig installation. And that's what I'll be doing today. Here is my lovely dovey Honey Bunches of Oats. She was adorable and she was the most nicest client I've had this far. We are starting off by slicking her hair back, wetting it, and putting gel just to slick it all back so it will be prepared for the ball cap method. I put a little bit of glue. Don't use too much. You want to be very sparse at this part. And then with this part, the majority of the white stuff that you see is hair gel. So we dry it all down, make sure it's all tacky, nice and clear, and then we'll put down the wig cap. So I'm beginning to blow dry her hair and just working the product in to make sure it's nice and snug in her hair, using hairspray to harden everything and continuously blow drying it. This is the makeup I'll be using for her head and the hairbrush that I'll be using to blend everything out. This makeup is actually what I use for some contour, but today we'll be using it to make a ball cap method on her head. So I'm just lightly tapping the product on the glue and the hair gel and just working everything out. And now I'll be using hairspray to make the makeup stay in place. Beginning at Madame's ears, I'm beginning to trim the lace to suit her face and to create that ball cap method. So I'm just trimming the edges and you just work your way through this part. And just putting a little bit of hairspray to make sure everything is nice and flattened. And she got a little ticklish here. Now I'm adding Ghost Bond wig glue on both the hair cap and her forehead to secure the wig. I added 2 layers of glue, so I dried the first layer of glue nice and clear, and then I added my second coat and then dried that nice and clear. Now just using lace tint spray on her lace, and now we'll be adding the wig. This wig is not from my line. This wig is from Amazon and it's from the store called Mayclaire. Description will be in the link below.
Oh my gosh! Do you see me?
Yeah.
Ooh, child! It's over for these bitches.
That was her very first reaction seeing the wig on herself. So she obviously really loves the wig and how it looks on her, and I'm very happy to see that reaction. I'm beginning to cut the lace of the wig and adding makeup to hide the lace to make it indistinguishable. After the makeup, again I add hairspray to make the makeup stay solid and secure. I'm drying everything out and I'm tapping everything, and now we will secure everything with a band and begin the makeup process. Beginning the makeup process, I'm adding primers, I'm adding sunscreen block, an under eye brightener, and a little bit of e.l.f. Glow. e.l.f. Glow made her makeup and her skin really popped. I also want to clarify that for her foundation, I actually made her skin tone using different foundations. And here's the product. And it came to an absolute match. Like, her skin looks so seamless, smooth, and silky. I was in total shock that I was even able to accomplish that. The powders I used to set her skin was from a contour palette, and honestly, it made like, ooh, girl, it made it look, you can see, okay? And girl, I know you're not blind. You see the silkiness and the glow. Like, her skin looked amazing. Now I'm beginning to do her eyebrows. She wanted like a straight pointed eyebrow look, and her wish was my command, and I shaped them up with nice concealer. We use Dip Brow for this process, by the way, Anastasia Dip Brow. And she also wanted a cut crease look, and she wanted everything purple, and she wanted all gemmed out. So we added gems to her eyelids as well. Here is my contour and highlight layout. I added contour and highlight to the appropriate points of her face to make everything pop. And as you can see, the gems were all aligned with her cut crease. And yeah, it looked amazing, girl.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give.
Well, that's all I have for today, and I just want to say a special thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like this look, and stay tuned for more.